Hi, my name's Liz. I am originally from Michigan, and I once again live in Michigan. I'm married and have two sons. They are 7 and 4. I went to MSU for my undergrad degree, and I got a degree in elementary ed. After I graduated, I moved to Texas, Houston, where I taught 4th grade for 2 years and 6th and 7th grade for 1 year. After that, we moved back to Michigan and moved to East Lansing, where I taught 4th grade for 4 years. I think this course will be very valuable. My goal is to get out of the classroom and into more of a support role. I'd love to be like an ed tech coordinator of a school, coaching other teachers, and I've always wanted to be a librarian, so I would love to be able to incorporate the two. I am looking forward to an upcoming trip to Portland. I'm traveling to meet up with some friends of about 20 years. We've been friends since middle school. And we meet annually every year in the fall. And this time we're going to the coast of Oregon and doing some hiking. On my report card, I would get an A in baking, especially bread. I love to bake bread. I would get an A in running. I've always been like just a 5K runner, but recently I trained and ran a 10-mile race in Flint, and I am now training to run a half marathon. So, and I would get an A in traveling. I love to travel. I love to planning traveling, and I probably take a trip at least once a month. So I'm looking forward to this class and meeting all of you. Thanks.